And hi everybody, I just wanted to come and do a quick little impromptu video with y'all real quick. Oops. Just talk about my hair. So I just want to talk about my hair and hair products and things that I've been using for my hair. Yes, I'm coming to y'all fresh with the hair scarf on. I'm like half past overdue for a wash day right now. And yeah, so how's everybody doing? That's good. I just washed my face, y'all. A little chapstick. Moisturize my skin real quick before we get started. So I had a gig last night, y'all, and I had all this makeup on, and I had to do my hair or whatever. My hair, I had wanted to put like a nice little weave ponytail in, but when I went to go put my hair in the ponytail, my hair was just like, sis, no, let me be great. Let me be great. Y'all ever see the memes? And they be like, if your hair could talk right now, what would it say to you? And my hair was saying to me last night, bitch, let me be great. And so, shit, I let it be great. That's what happened. I let it be great. So I just want to talk a little bit about last night's look. I'm actually gonna post a picture up for y'all so y'all can see how my hair looked on last night and why it was just so great. I still got some mascara that's ruining my life right now. Get that off. Pussy niggas asking all these questions, I just shit on them. Trump is still the president, I wonder what's to come here. Ask a fucking bullet, then I'll think you get the picture. Understand I'm not trying to kill another human, man. These niggas talking nice. I'm gonna edit this out. More lower, more closer, more for you. Man, this lyricism contradicts the memories of these little niggas been coming up with this foolery. I just pull it, see, I bring the heavy D to your itchy B, drop the easy E. As I keep about to take the G to another me. Okay, so now that I've gotten the mascara off my face and edited out the fact that I was getting the mascara off my face, we can go ahead and proceed to continue to talk about why my hair was so great last night. Okay, so the products that I had used to refresh my curls, because my curls was literally sitting in like a really nasty puff that was dried out and flaky and nasty and all of the above, and it was just horrible. I had wanted to put my hair in like a little ponytail. As you can see right here, I had the weave ready, honey. I had wanted to put my hair in a nice little braided pony, but my hair was just like, nah girl, let me be great. So I let it be great. So what I did to refresh my hair, it was literally like an impromptu style. I used the moisturizing styling foam by beautifulTrue from the True collection. Y'all can see that. And then I sprayed it with a little bit of the Quench Curl Refresher. And no, this video is not sponsored by them at all. I just genuinely love their videos. But I mean, if they would like to sponsor me, that would be awesome. Hit, hit, hit. But yeah, it's not sponsored. However, what you can do is go ahead and click that link down in the description box to get this hair serum by Urban Hydration. And what I did with this hair serum, because I did also use this as well, because my hair is a little bit dry. So I actually took some of this and put it in as well. And what I do with that is I actually put it in a bottle. So what this is regular Jamaican castor oil and avocado oil, argan oil, essential oils, vitamins A and E hair serum. And what I did with this is I actually added it to a mixture that I have here of black castor oil, tea tree oil, and jojoba oil. I love oil, y'all. I really do love oil. And this is the Jamaican castor oil that I use. And I just put all of that in this wonderful bottle. And I just got a bunch of oily goodness, okay? And also what I use for urban hydration, y'all, my hair has been on its best behavior since I have started using the Jamaican castor oil and avocado moisturizing mask and deep conditioner. And this stuff has so much slip. Let me tell y'all. So normally what I do with this, at first I thought it was a conditioner that you just simply put on and then rinse off. No, honey, you put it on and you leave it on, and it contains argan oil, ginger essential oil, aloe leaf, and which I not normally, but I have used aloe before in my hair. I call it an aloe mask. And what I used to do is I used to do it as a pre-poo and put it on my scalp. And then leave that on for a little bit and then rinse it off. You put the aloe and you put some black castor oil. Black castor oil is my hair lord savior, okay? But it also contains provitamin B5, prevents damage, promotes growth, moisturizes, adds volume. And you simply apply desired amount to damp or dry hair from ends to roots. Comb hair after application for even distribution. Do not rinse, okay? Y'all, my hair has been on its best behavior since using this. Like, my curls have been popping, flourishing. My hair is so pretty. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. And I'm gonna take this hair scarf off in a second and show y'all just how pretty it is. Yes. Excuse me. I'm struggling if y'all can't hear. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this hair scarf off. I know my hair's all flattened up under here. I'm like a day past a wash day, so my hair is like full of product buildup. I don't know what that was. Full of product buildup, and I wouldn't say it's like oily or anything, or it feels dirty, but it's definitely got a lot of product buildup on it. So I'll probably wash my hair like today or tomorrow. I know I'm a disgusting person. It doesn't matter because my hair is great. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with a water bottle that is not all the way full, but who cares? And then I'm gonna use the exact same product. So I just want to show you guys how I refresh my hair and the things that I use and the things that I do to make my hair great in a hurry. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so what I'm gonna tell y'all is this. You're going to want your hair to stay kind of dry, but not as dry. Look at that little curl back there, y'all. You're gonna want your hair to be kind of like damp, but not like soaking wet, if that makes any sense. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little spray bottle, and that's why I don't really care that there's not that much water in here, and I'm just gonna spray a light mist all over my hair, just to loosen up the curves. Then I'm gonna take my favorite hair tool, okay? This is my favorite hair tool. I don't know what that movement was I was just doing. I'm just gonna acknowledge the fact that I just did some strange head comb movement just then. But yeah, favorite hair tool here. And I'm just gonna begin by basically just fluffing my hair back out, really.
Disappear, reappear, you hold nuts. Yeah, you hold us.
Basically, every time I wash my hair, I style my hair the way I want to have it for the rest of the week. So basically, this is like a old wash day wash and go that I did utilizing my moisturizing mask by Urban Hydration. I use my hydrating hair butter by True by Made Beautiful, and oil. I literally don't like to use gel in my hair, and I feel like at this point for me, Eco Styler is canceled. Yes, I said it. Eco Styler gel is canceled, sis. Canceled. It is canceled. I'm done. Finito is over. Eco Styler gel is done. And I say Eco Styler gel is done, and it's more like a personal reason. It's not because of the chemicals or whatever everybody's been saying, because we always gonna be around some chemicals, around some stuff that we just ain't supposed to be around. But I like to use like a lot of oils and shea butters and coconut oils and things like that, and Eco Styler gel just does not mix with all that stuff. You get like this white residue, and honey, I don't like white residue, so yeah. Eco Styler gel is pretty much finito, done for me, honey. It's done, honey. So now that I've fluffed out with this, I am going to transition over to a pick as I go along for more volume. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is picked out, my curls are slightly defined, okay, and I'm just gonna go through with my curl refresher, and I'm not gonna use much because I already have a lot of product buildup, so I've pretty much been putting product on top of product. But anybody that's a natural knows, like, honey, the more you go along and the more product you add, girl, the better these curls start to pop. Oh, and we're gonna go through with this. And I don't like to disturb the curl pattern too much either. Next, I'm using my styling foam. Use a little bit of that. And rub that through like this, like so. Yes, girl. Yes, come through, curl. Come through. Give us a little bit more of a spritzy spray like that. Yup. Come through, curls. And then I'm gonna shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Like that. See what I did there? Do you see what I did there? Okay. And take my pick.
Switch mode like I switch clothes. Switchblade, I got 2 of those. Black girls, I got 1 more. 3 times, we got 3 more. Add 4, that's a 4P. 5 times, that's a new me. Mirror man, I'm the mirror man. Looking out like I'm clear, fam. Hold up, never show up. Disappear, reappear, you hold nuts. Yeah, you hold us. Down like you can go nuts. A gonad. Anywhere in between, that is your old dad. But really you looking at me like so sad. Maleficent, Maleficent. Won't catch me running after the president. Maleficent, Maleficent. Oh Holding it down, now for my residents. Maleficent, Maleficent. Won't catch me running after the president. Maleficent, Maleficent. Holding it down, now for my residents.
Yes, that is how we refresh my hair during the week.
Maleficent, Maleficent. Holding it down, now for my residents. Maleficent, Maleficent. Won't catch me running after the president. Maleficent,
She's
Maleficent.
cute.
Holding it down, now for my
Y'all take
residents.
care and have a wonderful day. No makeup, by the way. I'm not putting on makeup just because I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I'm not a I need to wear makeup every day and then leave the house type of girl. Like, I got on my chapstick and a clean face and some moisturizer, throw some little earrings in, and I'm out.
Switch mode like I switch clothes. Switchblade, I got 2 of those. Black girls, I got 1 more. 3 times, we got 3 more. Add 4, that's a 4P. 5 times, that's a new me.